Hello students, welcome to your tutorial video for the Unit 4 Check for Understanding Your Practice Assessment. So as you've done your other practice assessments, it's similar, it's a formative assignment, and it is not going to be for credit, but it'll be an opportunity for you to get an idea of what kinds of questions will be asked on the assessment. So unfortunately, the test student, I can't click on this, but you can, so you can be a test student, or yours would be able to, you click on it, but for mine, for this purpose, I'm just going to click here. So I would click here and it would bring you to another tab. So the other tab, you would end up looking like this. So you can use the slideshows, assignments, and videos linked in the canvases under our modules for week 14, 15, and 16 if you need to review. But you'll notice at the end of each question, questions 1 through 5 will give you if you're able to answer questions 1 through 5 on the assessment, or excuse me, on this practice assessment, you have a pretty good idea of the level 2.5 for your assessment. Once you get on to question 5, you get into the level 3 and the level 4, the 3.5. They're kind of speckled throughout because I wanted to make sure that you knew how to draw a covalent molecule using the HUNC 1, 2, 3, 4 rule. And then also for a 3.5 and the 4, being able to balance an equation. So that's a little bit harder, but as you're going through here, you'll see you'll be able to get a 3 if you're able to answer all of the questions and do some drawings. If you are needing help throughout while you're doing this practice test, I encourage you to watch some of these videos. This video here gives a little bit more detail about the Lewis dot diagrams than you necessarily need for the assessment, but it gives a great review of what you need to know for drawing those molecules. Whenever you submit this at the very end, you'll see, you'll get automatic feedback on the first questions, but once you start to do the show your work, I will give you feedback on that. If you send me a remind message, I'll give you feedback pretty quickly. But I can guarantee that I'll get you feedback on each of these by 3 o'clock on Thursday, the day before your last assessment. So if you have any questions at all as you're going through here, I encourage you to watch this video here about drawing your molecules. When you get into balancing here, I encourage you to watch this video also from Tyler DeWitt. So this is the same video that I included in your optional assignment 4.3. So your last question in here on number 20 is, after you're completed, what concept do you need help on? You're welcome to come to asynchronous time either today or Thursday, and let me know if you have any questions or anything you need for getting ready for the assessment or beyond. Okay, take care.